Okay, we will now talk a little bit about your requirements right now. Okay, let's talk about the requirements of this project. All right, so we don't need this guy anymore. Let's go here. So we have the provisions file, right? The provisions where your input, the teams are there. Let's make all the text files dot text file. Okay, the input is the program that will read this is, let's, by the way, I really, okay, I will list some basic requirements. Okay, how you do is different, but I need these three files. I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so we have the school teams from schools, right? Okay, let's make that with a round thing. So let's call it as provisions dot text. You have the pairing program. Okay, this this is a pairing program, pairing for round one. Okay, that you are going to write. What it does is, I personally don't know preference one way or the other how you do this. Okay, it's up to you entirely. And it takes this file somehow and creates these pairings. Okay, you have the pairings like we talked in the previous video. So let me make it all the text files as some ellipse or whatever that is. All right, then the user is in green right now. Okay, the user comes here, he publishes this on the wall somewhere. All right, and the debate is done and results are in, and he's going to put the results in this file. All right, let's go back to red. 10 whatever that is, right? So he takes the text file, produces this file. This is the same results dot text, again text file, but this is round one results dot text file. You name it any way you want. Okay, all right, so this is a program that you would be writing for me, this. Okay, pairing one. If you want to write additional programs to read these files, it's up to you how you do it. It's based on the rules. It also uses the rules. Okay, like we mentioned in the other video for the round one. So we got this file, right? Let's make it file one. We got input. Number two program that you would be writing is pairing, same kind of program, pairing for round two. All right. Again, you have to use this themes, and the uh, rules are there for the second round. How you do it, I don't care. I have no preference. There are rules for round one, there are rules for round two. It also produces a text file. This is for round two. All right. And then the user comes in again. The debates are done, the results are in. So he takes that file and generates another text file with the results. All right. This is done manually. We are going to give random right now, 101, 102, and the rules are given in the previous video. What this 0 means, what the 1 means, okay? So this is round 2, okay? Uh, let's make it round 2 pairing results, results dot text. All right, so you have two programs right now, one of this, this, and this. All right, then you have the third program, final standings. Okay, final standings would take, okay, this is the file number 2. So user generates these two files based on the pairings. So you take which one? Round 1 results dot text, round 2 results dot text. Okay, so two inputs for this file, for this program, these two program files. Okay, you have no rules in this. You have to produce the text file, sorted text file, okay, of who is leading, and let's say 2, another team 2, another team 1, another team 1, like that. Okay, so this is the final standings dot text. Don't worry about the name of the files, it's up to you. You just have to document each and everything for me, what you really done. All right, now you, if you look at this program, this what you call video, or this slide, you have one program, two programs, and third program. So three programs you are going to write, okay, at minimum, to read how these five provisions, the rules, and create the text file. Again, pairing 2, read this provision file as input, generate the text file for me. This is round 2 pairings, okay? And you generate that file. The user generates this file. And the final one, result 1, result 2, and this. So you have three programs, and you generate this text file, okay? That's all I want. I want you to test with at least 16 teams in this, 16 teams. Otherwise, you will not get good results. 16 teams at the most. And how you call these functions, whatever it is, if you keep the same way, it's easier for me to test and give you feedback. And we will talk about, this is the requirements, okay? This is just the requirements like we talked in here. All right, thank you.